Hey folks, today we're looking at a Chaparral, an 09 290 signature. This boat is in very nice condition, has been well maintained by its current owners with numerous upgrades. Some of them including in the last 2 or 3 years, all new canvas and flooring. The rear swim platform, nice size swim ladder, some EVA soft touch flooring. In the cockpit, we have new vinyl sea weave, nice and durable. There is a fold out bench there for the aft area. New fridge, sink, nice port side lounge seating, as well as dual seating at the helm. Garmin chart plotter is also equipped with radar, and twin Volvo Pentas with new outdrives 2 years ago. Down below, a really spacious cabin for boat in its length. Nice galley with electric stove, microwave, new fridge. The large dinette does convert to additional sleeping. Nice full-size head with shower and some additional sleeping quarters to the aft and additional camper canvas included. And then your main V berth also converts to more seating and table space with the table that comes up as well. This boat is located in Door County, Wisconsin. Feel free to reach out, schedule your showing today.